Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this video we're going to talk about KTM limited edition RC series, and we're also going to talk about the Duke 250 owners who had brought their bike before the LED headlamp. So if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe guys and press the bell icon to see my future videos, because I'll be doing a vlog also. So let's start. So let's get started with KTM RC series. So as of you can see this picture, in this picture you can see KTM RC 125, which is the white one, and the grey one is 200 and the black one is 390. So these are the special editions of KTM RC series. So if you want to buy KTM RC series, any of these 125, 200 or 390, this is the best time to buy. This will be available for limited time only, so you can purchase it right now. So with these updated graphics, KTM RCs are looking really amazing and beautiful. I don't know how KTM does it, but they come with something new only. Every time I see, many people like the graphics of KTM only because they are really amazing, and they did same thing with KTM Duke 200 also since 2012, and I would have to say KTM's graphics and designs are really amazing, man. So this was about the KTM RC series. Now let's talk about the Duke 250 BS6 owners who had brought their bike with halogen headlamp. So the biggest question was that will KTM replace their halogen headlamp with LED headlamp, yes or no? So the answer is no. They will not going to replace the headlight, but you can buy your headlight and you can replace with LED headlight. So this is possible, but there is a condition. So if you replace your halogen headlight into a LED headlight, so there will be no wiring warranty given by KTM. So that means your wiring warranty will be gone, except that all the warranties will be there as they are. So regarding this thing, I have talked to very much with KTM guys. So they have told me this thing only, and I asked them what will the price of headlamp. So they told me it will be going to around 10 to 12,000 rupees. So actually the bike has not came in showroom. They also can't tell the exact price. So let's wait for the perfect pricing. I'll keep you updating guys. So as of in my last video guys, I have told you KTM's 3 offers. So which were 1 roadside assistance and 5 years warranty, and you can win iPhone 11. And KTM has announced one new offer. So that is KTM fan package. In that you can win a backpack, a t-shirt and a cap. So KTM is giving really good things, dude. So if you want, you can book your bike. And really guys, this is the best time to buy a KTM. And guys, KTM has won its first MotoGP championship in 2020 with Bad Brinder. So congratulations to them. So in this video guys, this much only. I'll come with another video. So please do like, share and subscribe and comment. If you like my video, please do subscribe my channel.